Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use data validation in Google Sheets. Okay, before we started, I'm going to explain to you about the data validation. Data validation tool in Google Sheets will help us to validate our input data. With this data validation, we can make sure that we input the correct data. Okay, and here I have created a rule for this number of item columns. So the rule is number of the items should less than 100. Okay, first of all, we can select the number of item column like this and click on the three dots button. And since we want to add data validation, we can tap on data validation. On this criteria, we have to select less than option. Where is it? Okay, this one, tap on less than and input 100 for the value of formula. Okay, and here on the invalid data, we can choose show warning or reject input. If you choose show warning, you will get the warning from Google Sheets when you input the invalid data. But if you choose reject input, so the invalid data will be rejected. And I'm going to choose show warning. And after that, we can click on save to save the rule. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. For example, I'm going to input 45. Okay, it's still valid. As you can see, there's no warning. And I'm going to input 150, for example. Okay, and here we got the warning from the Google Sheets. I'm going to click on it. Okay, this is the warning. It says the cells contain violate its validation rule. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can use data validation in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.